It's Monday Fun Day, and I'm in the back seat with Floyd because we have a friend here from Saskatoon who is going to come on an adventure, check out a waterfall with us. I kind of want to jump in, but I have no idea the condition of this waterfall, so let's go find out.
I was most looking forward to hunting for some fresh buds blooming, and already I am not disappointed. Spring is coming!
I guess if we don't jump in the waterfall, we could just jump in the river. What do you see, Floyd? This tree is so smooth from being rubbed and touched so much because it looks cool. Look at that. Chad and I came to this hike a long time ago before we even lived on the island, and the waterfall was so small at the time that we jumped into the pool where the waterfall was. No, I didn't even do it that day actually, but Chad and some of our friends did. So today there was so much more water, we couldn't even get to the waterfall, and even if we did, the waterfall was rushing way too much to jump in over there. But we still got in. Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. Thanks for watching, guys. As always, I hope that you have a great rest of your day.
We'll have a great rest of our day.
And we'll see you in the next video.
Peace.
So we just got back to the car and we're at like a provincial park. So it closes at 6 and it's 6:20 and the gate is locked. So we're stuck inside the park and I think we have to call a tow truck company to come open the gate. Oh my God.